What's good, YouTube? What's poppin'? Today we have another video, and today we're showcasing Nano-Banana again. It's the new model that's available on LMArena, and we did some tests the other day, but now we're doing some new tests, and I'm showcasing just different abilities of how to keep the same reference image of the character, design, text, or whatever, and kind of how it translates with this new model, Nano-Banana. So this was our initial image, and we wanted to change them to snowboarding outfits, and this is what Nano-Banana did. This is really impressive, really good. The text is good, the character abilities is good, and it added some elements to the scenery. And you can see it compared to Gemini. This is really trash. And so I kept going, and so then I wanted to see if someone was playing this as a video game, and this was the first version it gave. And you can see the attention to details in the characters is not perfect, but is way better than what ChatGPT could do. And I can possibly show you an example in terms of the character design. You can see that the details is kind of missing on GPT. Gemini is trash. This was another Nano-Banana version. You can see how accurate the details are. Flux. And then it translates them to different ability, like kind of variations. It's not too good, but it still was able to keep the character designs, which I kind of impressed by. Quinn, GPT is still good though. It's just that it adds different elements or things that shouldn't be in there, but this keeps it pretty good. And this is another version of GPT versus Nano-Banana. So GPT, Nano-Banana has more detailed accuracy from what I understand. This is another version of Nano-Banana. I feel like this prompt would go really well. Oh, I think I have a Nano-Banana version of this. Coming down, GPT versus Nano-Banana. You can see the details more. It's really good at making it realistic, even though it still looks kind of AI. ChatGPT does have a good art style, but the details could be lacking. But yeah, so let me continue. And it was kind of hard to get Nano-Banana multiple times, but you can see how it's consistent. Like, it's really consistent, it's really strong. This is another version of a GPT trying to kind of blend together these two images here, but Nano-Banana didn't really do what I wanted to do, but I feel like with better prompting it could do something cool. This one I try to have the hair kind of flow, Flux, GPT, and then this one was Nano-Banana. I'm gonna show you the original, and then Nano-Banana. It's pretty good, honestly. Sometimes it's not good. I guess it's about the prompting or how the image is placed. This is another version of a Nano-Banana version. Not the best, but it did better than what this is, Gemini. Another comparison. Really accurate, really good. Might as well download this one. Compared to GPT. So let me think about another version of it. GPT right here. This one came out really good. Sea Dance. I think that's Sea Dance. But this is good. Gemini, Nano-Banana right here. This is really good. Nano-Banana again. Nano-Banana again. And put in the comments how many times I said Nano-Banana.